2026 Minnesota DMV Combination Class Attest to 20 questions and complete answers. Question 1. Before a drive, ensure that air flows to all trailers by Option A. Opening the rear shutoff valves and listening for escaping air. Option B. Closing the rear shutoff valves and listening for escaping air. Option C. Disconnecting air supply lines and listening for escaping air. Option D. Rolling each trailer down a hill and testing the brakes. The correct answer is option A. Opening the rear shutoff valves and listening for escaping air. Explanation. Before a trip, ensure that air in the air brake system reaches all trailers. Do this by waiting for air pressure to build, then sending air to both the emergency and service lines and opening the shutoff valves on the rear of the last trailer. If air escapes from the shutoff valves in the rear of the combination, the air is being supplied to the entire vehicle. Question 2. If a load is placed on one side of a trailer, the trailer, Option A, may lean during turns. Option B, may add extra support during turns. Option C, may be easier to steer during turns. The correct answer is option A, may lean during turns. Explanation. Positioning the weight of a load on one side of a trailer may cause the trailer to lean to that side, increasing the risk of a rollover during turns and lane changes. Question 3. When coupling, Option A, you can assume all vehicles are the same. Option B, be sure that you are coupling correctly. Option C, cracks in the mounting are acceptable. The correct answer is option B. Be sure that you are coupling correctly. Explanation. Incorrect coupling and uncoupling of combination vehicles can have extremely dangerous consequences. Question 4. If a trailer begins to skid, the driver should Option A, lock the brakes. Option B, release the brakes. Option C, steer in the opposite direction. Option D, accelerate. The correct answer is option B. Release the brakes. Explanation. If your trailer starts to skid while you are braking, you should release the brakes and allow them to begin to regain traction. Once its wheels have regained their grip on the road, the trailer will begin to straighten out and follow the tractor. Question 5. Failure to keep the fifth wheel plate properly greased could Option A, cause the trailer to disconnect. Option B, cause steering problems. Option C, cause braking problems. Option D, affect the lights. The correct answer is option B, cause steering problems. Explanation. Failure to keep the fifth wheel plate properly lubricated can create friction between the tractor and trailer, causing steering problems. Question 6. If a park trailer does not have spring brakes, you should keep the trailer from moving by Option A, having the vehicle parked against a wall or other vehicle. Option B, using chock blocks. Option C, parking on a slight incline. The correct answer is option B, using chock blocks. Explanation. If a park trailer does not have spring brakes, wheel chocks should be used to prevent it from moving. Question 7. If unsure if a trailer is equipped with ABS, you can Option A, check under the trailer for wheel speed sensors coming from the back of the brakes. Option B, try driving on a slippery surface and see if ABS kicks in. Option C, assume it does have ABS. Option D, remove a tire and look for the ABS sensor on the axle. The correct answer is option A. Check under the trailer for wheel speed sensors coming from the back of the brakes. Explanation. Trailers and converter dollies built on or after March 1, 1998 are required to have anti-lock braking systems ABS. This will be indicated by the presence of a yellow malfunction lamp. You can determine if older trailers have ABS by checking under the trailers for ECU and wheel speed sensor wires coming from the back of the brakes. Question 8. If an air supply control is in its emergency position, Option A, the vehicle will increase speed. Option B, the trailer emergency brakes will be applied. Option C, the air supply to the trailer will increase. The correct answer is option B. The trailer emergency brakes will be applied. Explanation. Tractor protection controls in older vehicles may be operated by levers instead of knobs. If an air supply control is set in its emergency position, the air supply will be stopped and the trailer emergency brakes will be applied. Question 9. If you press the tractor air supply control and your trailer's spring brakes do not release, you should Option A. Inspect the airline connections. Option B. Activate the anti-lock braking system. Option C. Turn the engine off and on again. The correct answer is option A. Inspect the airline connections. Explanation. It is important that all of a vehicle's equipment is in proper working condition before beginning a trip. If a trailer's spring brakes do not release when you push in the tractor air supply control, you should make sure the airline connections are properly attached and sealed. Question 10. In a vehicle equipped with an automatic tractor protection valve, the valve will pop out when Option A. Air pressure drops to a level between 20 and 45 psi. Option B. You are experiencing a trailer jackknife. Option C. Wheels have regained traction after a skid. Option D. Air pressure is above 45 psi. The correct answer is option A. Air pressure drops to a level between 20 and 45 psi. Explanation. In vehicles equipped with an automatic tractor protection valve, the valve will pop out if air pressure drops to a level between 20 and 45 psi. When the valve pops out, the protection valve will close, stopping the flow of air. Question 11. A combination vehicle has blank airline S. Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. The correct answer is option B, 2. Explanation. Every combination vehicle has two airlines, the service line and the emergency line. Question 12. When driving while pulling trailers, you should Option A. Make sudden turns with the steering wheel. Option B. Avoid making sudden moves. Option C. Push the accelerator to the floor when starting from a stop. The correct answer is option B. Avoid making sudden moves. Explanation. You should always steer gently and smoothly while pulling a trailer. Making sudden steering moves could cause the trailer to tip over. Question 13. When a combination vehicle goes around a corner, Option A. The turn should be made as tightly as possible. Option B. The front and rear wheels move in different paths. Option C. The rear wheels should run over the curb. Option D. It is acceptable for street signs to be knocked over if they are too close to the road. The correct answer is option B. The front and rear wheels move in different paths. Explanation. When a vehicle goes around a corner, the rear wheels follow a different path than the front wheels. This is called off-tracking. This effect is especially pronounced on vehicles with trailers. Question 14. If a trailer begins to jackknife, you should not Option A. Release the brakes. Option B. Apply the trailer hand brake. Option C. Allow the wheels to grip the road. Option D. Allow the trailer to straighten out. The correct answer is option B. Apply the trailer hand brake. Explanation. If a trailer begins to jackknife, you should release the brakes and allow the trailer wheels to regain traction with the road. Do not apply the trailer hand brake to attempt to straighten out the rig, because it will only prolong the skid. The application of brakes is what caused the wheels to lock in the first place. Question 15. The blank trailer is the most likely to turn over if a driver takes a turn too quickly. Option A, front. Option B, last. Option C, middle. The correct answer is option B, last. Explanation. When making a turn, be sure to steer gently and smoothly. Making a quick turn while pulling trailers is dangerous and can increase the risk of the last trailer rolling over. Question 16. The trailer hand valve should be used. Option A, to accelerate in rural areas. Option B, only to test the trailer brakes. Option C, together with the brake pedal. Option D, on slippery surfaces. The correct answer is option B, only to test the trailer brakes. Explanation. The trailer hand valve, also called the trolley valve or Johnson bar, is used to work the trailer brakes. It should be used only to test the brakes. Using it while a vehicle is in motion could cause a skid. Question 17. What is a tractor protection valve? Option A, a valve to keep air in the brake system should there be a bad leak. Option B, a valve that prevents the truck from being stolen. Option C, a valve that prevents the driver from going too fast. Option D, a valve that prevents the trailer from accidentally being released. The correct answer is option A, a valve to keep air in the brake system should there be a bad leak. Explanation. In a combination vehicle with air brakes, the tractor protection valve keeps air in the tractor or truck brake system in the event of the trailer breaking away or developing a leak. Question 18. When coupling a trailer, option A, make sure to couple matching glad hands. Option B, any glad hand can be connected to any other glad hand. Option C, it is best to leave one glad hand unattached. Option D, only one set of glad hands should be connected. The correct answer is option A. Make sure to couple matching glad hands. Explanation. When coupling, make sure you couple matching glad hands. They are often color-coded to help drivers avoid mistakes. Typically, blue is used for service lines and red is used for emergency lines. Question 19. Before beginning a trip, you should: option A, leave the service line valve open. Option B, remove the relay valves. Option C, close the emergency line valve. The correct answer is option C, close the emergency line valve. Explanation. Before a trip, you should ensure that air reaches all air brakes on all trailers by opening up the rear emergency line and service line shutoff valves and listening for escaping air. Close both shutoff valves before beginning to drive. Question 20. In a vehicle equipped with an automatic tractor protection valve, the valve will pop out when air pressure drops to a level between option A, 20 and 45 psi. Option B, 75 and 105 psi. Option C, 50 and 65 psi. The correct answer is option A, 20 and 45 psi. Explanation. In vehicles equipped with an automatic tractor protection valve, the valve will pop out if air pressure drops to a level between 20 and 45 psi. When the valve pops out, the protection valve will close, stopping the flow of air.